Hey Cody, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I really hope you're watching. I'm not sure if this is a correct email or not, but if not, I hope this video finds you. The reason we contacted your company was because we've noticed that around your area in Mesa, Arizona, there is a high search volume for the services that you offer. In this case, pest controls. This is an opportunity to optimize your website and get all that traffic in going for your company. I'm not sure where you stand now. However, I'll show you how to do that. In this video, I'll audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will also explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website, and it'll give you a better understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of yours. In this video, I'll point out three categories, which are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, Cody. It's a good website, of course. Easy navigation. Even the colors are soft in the eyes, which is a bonus. All the links seems to be working just fine. This is a great website. However, if you're trying to optimize your website, you're going to need more content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance and the services that you offer, but also improves the level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert, and of course, inside of Google's eyes. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords, Cody, are pretty much words or phrases that end users enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, pest control. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. For content and citations, let's jump into arrows here. This is a good tool to have if you want to monitor what you have going behind the scenes. This is your website here. You currently have 6 keywords. Around 25 people are jumping onto your website on a monthly basis organically. Referring domains 4 and backlinks 4. So the DR 0.1, the UR at a 0. Let's start with the DR and UR. These two are the ratings of the power and URL. Are the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these two ratings are through backlinks and citations. So you currently don't have anything going, but a backlink is pretty much just a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. And I'm sure you've seen it where you stumble across a paragraph and there's a clickable word here. If I click on it, it sends me over to a different website. That's pretty much what a backlink is. Now, you want to be careful though, not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with the industry or services that you offer, that's just going to hurt your website, okay? So just be mindful on that. Let's go back to your statistics here. For a citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter here at a 1:1 ratio. Google will give you a boost. It's more of a preference. If you have that 1:1 ratio here, it's going to place you higher when comparing to another website. Let's jump on to one of your competitors. Looks like these guys are getting all the attention. Defense Pest Controls. As you can see, they have more content here. They have more content here. They have relevant optimized images, internal linking, which is great for SEO. More content here. I'm sure you get the idea. What they have going behind the scenes, though, they have over 2,000 keywords. In the monthly basis, there over 1,000 people are jumping onto their website. So this is a nice spot to be, right? Referring domains 170, backlinks around 1,000. the power that they currently have for the URL and domain, 15 for the UR, and DR 2.9. They are going down in the rankings. That's not a good sign. However, looks like they're constant, going up and down with a lot of traffic still, no matter if they go down. Looks like of 146 back in August, around August. So this is what they have. The keywords, this is very important. Looking at their keywords, this is a good one to have on your website. Pest control, Mesa, Arizona. Over 400, or I should say around 400 people are searching for your services that you offer with this keyword here. And again, this is a volume of 400 in a monthly basis. Looking onto another one here, Mesa Pest Control. 200 people. Pest Control Mesa, another 200. Not sure if you're in the Santan Valley, but looks like 150. But you get the idea. Just imagine these 400 people with these two keywords are finding you instead. That's the whole point of search engine optimization, or SEO, is to optimize your website. So just remember, good quality content. Add some keywords, good keywords on there. Buyer intent keywords, like for example this one here. This is what we call buyer intent keywords. You don't want yellow ground scorpion versus bark scorpion. We don't think if someone is searching for this with this keyword are trying to find your services. However, you get the idea, right? So content, good quality content, keywords, relevant backlinks, high DR, powerful, along with citations. On your H1 tags, I would recommend to include a keyword on here. All right, this is what I have for you at this time. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, or if you're not interested, let me know that too. Cody, if you're not, if you're at a position where you can't take on more clients or more work, let me know that too, so I won't send you these annoying follow-up emails. All right, feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Cody. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.